Hey, good morning. It's Monday, November the 16th. Today you should go back and close read the story, um, the first story in Disasters Collection 3 on your online literature book. Remember, that's e-textbooks. And if you haven't done that, if you didn't do that on Friday, you were supposed to read it Friday, but if you didn't do that, you still need to read it. And then there will be questions posted later today. Make sure that you read carefully. You can use the audio and listen to. The second time, usually you don't use the audio, but if it's harder reading for you, you can do that. And then again, do the questions. And we are doing Chapter 2, Section 3 in Social Studies, so we're going to read about the Kingdom of Cush. So you need to read the online book. It does have audio too, so you can play it as you read, but just remember you're supposed to read it, not just listen to it. And when you are finished, you do have questions posted online. So that's what we're doing on this Monday. We won't do all of the questions on the close read today. We'll just do a few, and then we'll talk more tomorrow because some of the questions are pretty tough. So we'll just do a few today, and then we'll do more tomorrow. If you have any missing work, I put a 0 in the grade book because I cannot personally give you a list of things that you miss, but you can get on the grade book. And if there's a 0 posted, that means that you, for some reason, maybe you forgot, or maybe you just didn't hit the turn in or submit button, but whatever, I don't have anything from you for that. So, and then you just need to do that. And then as soon as you do that, email me and let me know that you've turned that in, and then I'll go back and change your grade. Okay, so just because it says a 0, it doesn't mean it's there for the whole quarter. It means you just are missing something, and that will show you what you're missing so you can keep on top of it, whether you're in the classroom here or whether you're learning online. Again, if you have any questions, you just need to email me and I'll answer you as quickly as I can. Okay, all right, so have a great Monday. And again, we're going to close read, which means you're going to reread the story. Use your e-text button, the app, and it's Collection 3. It is the first story in Collection 3. It is about a tsunami, and hopefully you were able to watch the video that I posted in Google Classroom Social Studies. And the last disaster on that video was this tsunami, the tsunami of 2004. So you can kind of be thinking what you see and what you heard about that as you read the story. This is information text, so it is a little more difficult to read. You can use the audio if you're having trouble. We're just reading it without any help. So you use the audio too if you need to, which hopefully you know how to do by now. You just push the audio button and when you turn each page. Okay? Again, if you got questions, let me know. Hope you have a good day. And if you get on the grade book and see some 0s, that means you're missing something. And I will tell you that the social studies isn't all in there yet because I've been grading folders and there's a lot of individual assignments. And so not everything is posted, but some things are. Okay? All right. Have a great day, and let me know if you need some help. Bye.